Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're here, you might be wondering why isn't my iPhone 16 Pro or 16 Pro Max not turning off or refusing to sleep? Don't worry, I've got you covered. In this video, we'll explore the common reasons behind this issue and the best ways to fix it. So let's dive in. The first thing is to check if always on display is causing the issue. On the iPhone 16 Pro and 16 Pro Max, this feature keeps the screen on even when the phone is locked. Here's how to turn it off. First, open Settings. Navigate to Display and Brightness. Then scroll down to Always on Display. Tap on it. And toggle off Always on Display. The next thing to check is your auto lock settings. If your iPhone isn't sleeping, it might be because the screen timeout is set incorrectly. Open the Settings app, go to Display and Brightness, and select Auto Lock. If it's set to Never, that's likely the problem. Simply change it to 30 seconds, 1 minute, or whatever works best for you. If it's grayed out, you need to disable low power mode. To fix this, go back and head to Battery Settings. And turn off low power mode. This often restricts auto lock from functioning properly. Once disabled, go back to Display and Brightness. And set the auto lock duration to 30 seconds, 1 minute, or whatever works best for you. If your iPhone still doesn't turn off or sleep, try a force restart. This can resolve minor software glitches. Doing force restart won't delete any of your data, it's just a simple reboot. To do a force restart, quickly press and release the volume up button, then volume down button. Finally, press and hold the power button until the Apple logo appears on the screen. Once you see the Apple logo, release the power button and let your iPhone restart. Make sure to do this quickly. If you go too slowly, Siri might activate instead. So that's it, a quick and easy force restart for your iPhone. This process helps fix any minor software glitches or bugs that might have been causing problems. Sometimes the problem is due to a software bug. Make sure your iPhone is running the latest iOS version. Open the settings, navigate to General. Tap Software Update, download and install if there's any updates available. And that's it. These are the most effective solutions for fixing an iPhone 16 Pro or 16 Pro Max that's not turning off or sleeping. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more tech tips and tricks. If you have any questions or need further help, drop a comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.